For styling of the products, we are going to use these headbands, these pick combs for parting, and this handy dandy comb that I found that I absolutely love. This just makes life so much easier. Where has this been my entire life? I love this comb. It's a comb and a brush, and it's really good for detangling your hair. Awesome, love it. Also for products, we have the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream. We also have the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Mask and Jet Set Hair Styling Gel. So guys, we're going to start this video off with a good old wash, and I'm going to be using the brand Suave Essential. It's their Daily Clarifying Cleansing Shampoo and their Daily Clarifying Hydrating Conditioner. In today's video, guys, this video was actually inspired by one of my girlies. On one of my videos, she commented on my curls. She wanted to know the products that I use to get my curls because my hair looks great. So thank you so much. Thank you. So this is the perfect opportunity for me to actually bring to you guys my hair routine. My hair needs to wash like really bad. Why not film the entire process, right? Guys, I'm just putting this disclaimer out. These are the hair products that I use for my hair. All of us have different hair textures, and what products I use for my hair may not be the products that work for your hair. Just keep that in mind. So I will be washing and detangling my hair off camera. So guys, we have a lot of things to do, so let's go do my hair. But first of all, this is what my hair looks like. This is what my hair looks like. It's kind of wet right now, so I have to go out. So we're gonna wash all of this out and fix back my hair. Right now my hair needs a good trim. Look at this. Look at all of this. This is the back of it. So guys, let's go do my hair. This is my hair after washing. What I am going to be doing now, guys, is parting my hair in 4 sections. So guys, I have no idea what the back of my head looks like, but these are the 4 sections that we're going to work on. First off, we're going to be starting with this section. So guys, my hair was not detangled in the shower, so we have to do that now. First of all, we're going to add the leave-in conditioner to this entire section. Add a little more. Now we're going to add our curling cream. Now guys, it's detangling time. So when it's detangling, you start from the ends. Start from the ends of your hair and work your way up. This brush comb is amazing. Look how fast this detangle my hair. Very, very quickly. Now it's time to add the gel. So with this, I just section my hair in smaller sections. I just work in smaller sections. This, I just take this and put it up here. Work with this now. And I just place the gel. I use the raking method. That's just raking all the products through my hair like this. Wherever there are stubborn curls, like sometimes in the middle of my hair, it has stubborn curls. That's where I do the shingling method. So when I get to that part, I'll show you guys. But look how beautiful. Look at this. Wash it back. You guys can see that. Let's keep going. So once all the products into my hair with the gel and everything, you just rake your fingers through it like this. And that's it. That's the magic, guys. Add the gel from the bottom of my hair and work my way to the top. Beautiful. she back. So guys, so we're just going to repeat this entire process until we finish my hair. So with this now, when I'm finished with this part, what I do, I just put this in a little rookie and leave it there. Just leave that right there. Next part, let's do this. Right, this is drying out, so let's just spray some water. Leave-in conditioner. Curling cream. Detangle. Gel. So as you guys know, placement of the gel for me is in sections. So here we go. Section 1. So this is my hair before gel. Let's do this side. So this part I divided into two sections. So we're working on this part. So leave-in, add a little more. Curd cream. Detangle. Gel. Same thing we do, we work in sections. This is the shingling method, where you just take off one piece like this and you just let it go like that. Let it go like that. Like this. Like that. Like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Leave-in conditioner. Oh, too much, too much. Leave-in conditioner. Curd cream. Detangle. Ooh, beautiful. No products on this section. This section is not even detangled yet. Leave-in. A little too much for the section, I know. Curd cream. Detangling. So now it's time to add the gel.
this is what my hair is looking like at the moment. So we almost finished. So guys, this is the last section. Leaving Creme. Detangle. Add in gel. Beautiful curves. So Cantu Cream of Nature sponsor you girl. My hair loves these products. Leave-in. Beaut cream. Detangle. Gel. Beautiful curls. Almost finished, guys. Almost. This is the raking method. This is the last section, guys. So, no products. nice. Right, so let's do this part. So, leave in at your hand. Leave in. Curl cream. Detangle. Gel. Leave in. Curl cream. Put in a little plenty. Detangle. Right, gel. So guys, my hair is completed. Whew. Oh my goodness. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and that way you'll never miss one of my uploads. How beautiful my hair looks. All I do is put one woogie in it like that. This is how much hair came out of my head. This area here is still wet. It is really wet still.
Here is just a scarf and a shower cap, and I will be showing you my preparation for bedtime.